Meaning of gracelessly.
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 Gracelessly. Gracelessly refers to the act of lacking grace, elegance, or refinement in movement or behavior. It can also mean behaving in a rude or insensitive manner without consideration for others. For example, walking clumsily, bumping into people, or speaking harshly can be described as gracelessly. Not demonstrating good manners or etiquette in social settings may also be considered as graceless. Overall, the term gracelessly denotes an ungraceful and often unpleasant way of carrying oneself, which can lead to negative impressions and consequences in social situations.